Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are looking for a tutorial this year 2024 on how to download an ISO file directly from Microsoft website, you are in the right place. So make it sure that you will finish this video. So let's begin. So to begin with, let's open our browser. Any browser that you have. You can use Internet Edge, the Brave browser, or Chrome, or any browser that you prefer. And go to this URL, and I will be posting this link on my description box below so that we can directly land on this website. So there are options in this web page from Microsoft.com, and it says here that download Windows 10, and before updating, please refer to the Windows release information status for known issues to confirm your device is not impacted. So below this notice is you can see the available version or edition of Windows 10, and it is year 2022 update, and it has a version of 22H2. This update assistant can help you update to the latest version of Windows 10. So to get started, click update now. So this option is provided by Microsoft in order for us to update our existing Windows 10 to the latest update that Microsoft has. But our tutorial for today is about how we can download a Windows 10 ISO file. So let us scroll this to the bottom. You can see an option here that says download now, and it says that to get started you will first need to have a license to install Windows 10. You can then download and run the media creation tool. For more information how to use this tool, see instruction below. So this is the instruction that we have. So to make this video shorter is, let us click this download now. And I am using an internet download manager, and the file name is Windows Creation Tool 22h2.exe, and it has an 18.56 MB. And let us click start download now, and it is already finished, and the exe file is already finished. Just click open, and the media creation tool will be open afterwards. So just click yes. Let us minimize this one, and let us wait for the program to run. So when Windows 10 setup is already open here, the first page that will appear is applicable notices and license term from Microsoft. So what are we going to do here is just accept the notices and license terms. And after that, we have these two options. What do you want to do? You can upgrade this PC now and create installation media, USB Flashdrive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC. So we're going to choose create installation media, and then click next. And here we're going to select language, architecture, and edition. So please select from one of the available options to continue. So let us unclick or uncheck this one in order for us to get rid of this use the recommended options for this PC so that we can choose what we want. So the edition that we are going to download is Windows 10, of course, and the architecture is Windows 64, or you can choose 32-bit. But for now, let us choose both. If you are planning to install a clean format in your device, so I have a video here on the description box below. I can provide a link for you on how you can make a clean install for your device. If you are all set for these three things, is let us click next and choose which media to use. If you want to install Windows 10 on another partition, you need to create and then run the media to install it. So what are we going to do is we're going to download an ISO file. But if you want to make a request on how we can download this creation media using USB flash drive, is you can make your comment on the comment box below if you really want it, so that I can make a tutorial for this. So choose ISO file for the meantime and then click next and just choose folder where you want to save this file, this Windows 10. So let's go to downloads and programs, open. So it will be downloaded here. So click save. And it will begin to download. So this is the progress bar. So let us wait till it reaches 100% or till it will be finished. After the downloading and verifying of our ISO file, we can see here that our downloaded ISO file for Windows 10 is located or saved in the C users admin downloads and programs Windows 10.iso. So we have another option here to open DVD, and we have another option here to open DVD burner. So what we're going to do is we're going to click finish, and it says here that setup is cleaning up before it closes. Okay, so after this one, let us locate our downloaded file. So we have from downloads, programs, and Windows 10. There you have your downloaded ISO file. So what are we going to do next is we're going to check what kind of Windows 10 edition that we are able to download. So I have here a VMware workstation. I will open this one and close this one as well. And I will wait for VMware workstation to open. And what are we going to do here is we're going to make a Windows 10 inside Windows 11. And right click, let us make new virtual machine, click next, and I will install the operating system later. And let us choose Windows 10 here, click next. Okay, so click next, and let us customize hardware here. So let us leave all this as default, and this new CD DVD SATA, let us use ISO image file, and then click browse, go to download folder, programs, and let us choose Windows 10 and click open. Let us close this one and click finish, and let us run this one. Power on this virtual machine. So we're just checking what edition of Windows 10 we are able to download. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. So let us choose EFI VMware Virtual SATA. So we have here Windows 10 setup for 64-bit and Windows 10 setup for 32-bit, and let us choose Windows 10 64-bit, and it will load all the files here. So let us check what Windows edition we were able to download earlier in this video. Okay, so just click next here. Let us choose install now. So for now, let us choose I don't have a product key. So we have here the edition of Windows 10, like the Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Home and Single Language, Education, Pro. So all of these are the downloaded Windows 10 edition in a single file of ISO. So if you're going to install this ISO file to your computer, you will be needing to make a bootable USB flash drive so that you can flash this Windows edition or ISO file in your device. So I have another video in this channel. You can check that out on our videos or on our description box below or on the link above, so that you can have a guide on how to make a bootable USB flash drive. So all in all, we were able to download a Windows 10 Home, Single Language, Education, and Pro. So I hope this video helps you. So see you on my next video.